Namaste. In this video we are going to talk about the color green. So green is a color of harmony. Okay, harmony is balance. Green helps balance your entire being. It's a color of healing. So if you're someone who is going through a traumatic time, has a lot of trauma, a lot of breakages within themselves, green is the color that you need to choose for your healing. It balances the heart chakra and the head chakra. Now, some of the positive traits of green are it promotes growth. If you want to grow in life, you have to implement and integrate more and more green into your life. It promotes vitality. Green is a color of nature. It promotes vitality. If you regularly fall ill, then green is something you have to include more into your life, and you have to wear more green, maybe just as an addition. For example, I have a green cap. Maybe just as an addition you can wear it. So I like to style basically my wardrobe by simple addition like just a green hat and maybe a green t-shirt or a touch of green in the shoes. That really promotes that I'm interested in growth, I'm interested in vitality, I'm interested in healing. Remember all the time, green is the color of healing, and it's one of the best colors you can wear when you're going to bed. Because when we are going to bed, when we are trying to sleep, we are trying to rejuvenate. Okay, we are trying to heal ourselves. We are trying to heal the body of the work we have put it through. So if you want to heal, if you want to grow, you have to include more green into it. Green is also a color of tactfulness. Okay, if you want to be good with words, include green. It's a very nurturing color. Okay, it will really open up your heart. It will really open up you with other people. So there are some negative traits to green as well. If you are adding too much green into your life, then it's possible you are being too much possessive. So if you are in a relationship and you are becoming too possessive, it's time to remove a little green from your life. Okay, it's also color of envy. Okay, envy is denoted by green color as well. If you are envious about everyone around you, it's time to remove green from your life or wear certain opposite color from your life, or basically avoid green altogether. Green is mostly a neutral color overall. People who like green are practical, dependable, and they crave balance for their life. Too much of anything is bad. Don't include too much green into your life. Don't become a tree. And because then again you will seem like you are trying to get a certain attention. Too much of anything is bad. If you are someone who dislike green, then it just means that you are a lot more introverted than you normally think you are, and you don't help someone else unless they ask. And this was the case with me. I avoided helping people unless asked for. It's a good thing in certain scenarios, but in a lot of scenarios it's a bad thing because you miss a chance to help someone else progress. So in such a scenario, the best thing you can do is incorporate green into your life. Once you begin to incorporate green into your life, you will naturally figure out that what's more important is to help someone else, nurture them, help them reach where they want to reach. And that's one of the ways of how you can help someone else go along with you growing with them. So green brings these attributes to you. So green is a beautiful color, I think. I've never included green into my schedule. I used to hate green, okay? Honestly, I'm a red person, I'm an orange person. But green has that balancing effect. If you are feeling too energetic, too much of everything, include green into it. If you're wearing too much green all the time, you would generally feel like others are better, others are doing something that I'm not. So in that particular case, avoid green altogether. So you have to balance it out. Green has both positive, like every color, green has both positive and negative trait. That's all for this video. I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please like this video, subscribe to my channel on Yoga Mind Mastery and Veer Confidence on YouTube, and I'll see you in the next video.